guys, today we are with the lesson Physical Features of India. So this is the interesting and nice lesson. So watch till end. Location. India has all major physical features of the earth, that is mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus and islands. In India, the soil color varies from place to place as it is formed from different types of rocks. India is a large landmass formed during a different geological periods. So here, what are they telling that India has a large different types like mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus and islands. And the color of the soil is of many types because it has a large landmass and it's made up of different rocks. India's relief features are outcome of other processes like weathering, erosion and deposition. India has varied physical features whose formation can be explained on the basics of the theory of plate tectonics. According to the theory of plants tectonics, the seven major and minor plates that form the earth crust keep moving, causing stress and thus leading to folding, faulting, and causes volcanic activity. As plates can have convergent, divergent, and transform boundaries. Convergent means coming close, divergent means going diverged. India's peninsular part is made from one of the oldest landmass of the world, Gondwana land. It was a single landmass comprising of India, Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiological divisions. The sixth of them are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains, the islands. As now, it's of the Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains are eightfold mountains, which are the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain berries of the world's. The Himalaya are 2,400 km long, 400 to 150 km wide from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, respectively. The Himalayas have three parallel ranges in the longitudinal extent, namely Great or Inner Himalayas, also called Himadri. It is the highest mountain range with average height 6,000 meters. Middle Himalayas are Himachal. The altitude varies between 3,700 and 4,500 meters. It includes ranges like Pirpanjal, Dalwa, Dar and Mahabharat. Outer Himalayas are Shivalik. It is the outermost range with 900 to 1100 meters average altitude. The longitudinal valley lying between and lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as dunes. The Himalayas can be divided into four sections. Punjab Himalayas between Indus and Satluj, Kumaon Himalayas between Satluj and Kali, Nepal Himalayas between Kali and Tista, Assam Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas between Tista and Big Bang, Tsopo. Now it's of the northern plains. It is formed by the interplay of three major river systems, the Indus and the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The northern plains spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometers to 240 km long and 240 km to 320 km broad. The river that flow to the plains from the mountains are involved in depositional work. Difference in relief causes the northern plains to have four regions. Babar, lying at the foot of Shivaliks, a narrow 8 to 16 km wide belt of pebbles, terrain flying next to the Babar and wet and marshy area with wildlife and forest. Bangar, older alluvium plain which rises above the level of the floodplains. Kadar, younger alluvium of the footplains. As now it's our the peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau is the tableland formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. It is composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateau consists of two broad divisions, namely the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands lie north to river Narmada. Eastward Himalayas of Peninsular Plateau are locally known as Baldikhand and Bangatkand. The Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the further eastward extension drained by the Damodar River. The Deccan Plateau, a triangular mass, lies to the south. River Narmada. The western and eastern edges of the Deccan Plateau are marked by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, respectively. The Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats. On Anaimudi, the highest peak in Western Ghats, 2695 meters. It means that 2695 meters, as it's also called as 2 kilometers 695 meters, and Mahandri with 1501 meters 1501 meters is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats. A distinct feature of Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area known as Deccan Trap. So now it's of the Indian desert. The undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes towards the western margins of Aravalli Hills is the Indian desert. Crescent-shaped dunes called Barchan cover large parts of the Indian desert. It has a very less rainfall, around 150 mm. Luni is the only large river in this region. So now it's of the coastal plains. The narrow coastal stripes flank the Peninsular Plateau. On the west, the coastal stripes are divided into Konam, Mumbai, Goa, Kannada Plain and the Malabar coast. From northern to southern part, the plains along the Bay of Bengal are wide and level. On the east, the coastal stripes is divided into northern Sikars and the Coromandel coast from northern to southern part. The islands, Lakshadweep Islands, group in the Arabian Sea, is close to Kerala. The Lakshadweep Islands were formerly known as Lakav, Manakoi and Amindiv. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are an elongated chain of islands located in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountains. The regions in India complement each other and makes the country richer in its natural resources. Mountains are the source of forests and water. Plains provide grains, plateaus or storehouses of minerals, coastal support, fishing and ports. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, only you can like, subscribe. If any suggestions, tell in the comment box. We will try to improve whatever comments you give. Guys, need to join our channel and put video. Just send a request to this mail ID here. The mail ID for this is santoshvenkat0703@gmail.com. So you can be. Thanks from LIFW team members. The subjects are for biology, English, maths. This is only for class 9. If you are from class 5 to 12, you can do any subjects as you need. We can be with you. As of now, we are having another branch like extraordinary intelligence. The link of the channel is also in description. You can also subscribe and be with us in channel. Thank you guys for seeing this video.